Hey guys, welcome back to Dash of Delight. I am Samya. Today I've brought to share with you all a very healthy steel cut oats or Daliya recipe. This is literally full of nutrients, fiber, protein, antioxidants and whatnot. So keep watching the video till the end, and if you like the recipe, please hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Let's quickly jump on to the recipe.
Take 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan, and once heated, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds followed by curry leaves as well as green chilies. Now, I have already chopped some vegetables, like here I have some carrots, red, green and yellow bell pepper, green beans and green peas. I'm gonna add all the vegetables into it. So guys, you can take the vegetables of your own choice or whatever available at your home. Now saute for a few seconds, then add salt and mix everything together. Then simmer the gas, place the lid and let it cook for around 5 to 7 minutes. Now meanwhile the vegetables are cooking, in a separate pan, take 2 cups of steel cut oats or Daliya or broken wheat, whatever you call it, and dry roast it. Very soon you will see that it will start changing the color and become slightly whitish like this. See, let me show you the exact difference. So see, initially it looked like this, and once it's roasted, it will change the color to slightly whitish, something like this. So this is the sign that it has been nicely roasted. Now here our vegetables are also 80% cooked. So at this stage, we are going to add the roasted oats or Daliya into this. Mix and saute everything together. Then add around 2 glasses of water. So basically, the quantity of water should be just enough to cover everything and not much. Also make sure that the heat should be at high temperature at this stage. Give it a nice stir, and very soon we will see that it will reach to the boiling temperature. So let it boil properly, and once it starts absorbing the water, add salt to it, then mix it properly, and then simmer the gas, place the lid and let it cook for final 5 minutes. Then after 5 minutes, you'll see that the Daliya is all puffed up and nicely cooked. So just saute it for a few seconds. And that's it guys, it's all done. So let me show you how soft and fluffy it comes out to be. Now I'm gonna add some roasted peanuts to it, followed by half a cup of freshly chopped cilantro or coriander leaves. I'm also gonna squeeze juice of half a lime. There we go. Now, this is absolutely optional guys. I like a tint of sweetness into this, but I don't prefer refined sugar at all. So I'm adding half a teaspoon of jaggery powder to it. And here comes our utterly nutritious steel cut oats or Daliya. This beautiful veggie Daliya is not only delicious, but also super high in fiber, protein, antioxidants and whatnot. So next time, instead of making that boring sticky oatmeal or milk Daliya porridge, try it this way and it'll be a staple in your family. So guys, if you like the video, please do not forget to subscribe to the channel, and I'll be back very soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.